welcome to day 18 of our 30-day English study plan. We are still on track. Today, we are going to focus on describing daily routines, whether it's your morning ritual, what you do after work, or even how you relax in the evening. Being able to talk about your daily routine is a great way to improve your fluency. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to feel more confident talking about your day in English. Let's dive right into it. First, let's go over some useful phrases that will help you talk about your daily routine. I'll explain each phrase, give you examples, and then ask you to think about how you can use it in your own life. The first phrase is, I usually wake up at. I usually wake up at. Use this phrase to talk about what time you typically wake up or start your day. You might say, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. and make myself a cup of coffee. Now, think about what time you wake up. You can say, I usually wake up at. After that, I. This is great for describing the next step in your routine. For instance, after that, I take a quick shower and get dressed for work. How about you? What's the next thing you do after you wake up? So here you can say, after that, I. And then insert what you do. Okay, let's look at the phrase, I spend most of my morning. I spend most of my morning. This phrase is helpful when you want to talk about what you focus on in the first part of your day. So you could say, I spend most of my mornings answering emails and attending meetings. Now, think about your own morning routine. What do you spend most of your morning doing? All right, let's move on to the next phrase. In the afternoon, I usually. This phrase helps transform your morning to afternoon activities. For instance, in the afternoon, I usually go for a walk or run some errands. So errands is a word that we use to mean activities, things that I have to do, like maybe going to the post office or going to the bank. So things that are on my to-do list that I have to quickly do. What do you do in the afternoon? Try saying, in the afternoon, I usually, and then fill in the blank. Okay, let's move on to the phrase, I like to unwind by. This phrase is useful when describing how you relax at the end of the day. For example, I like to unwind by reading a book or watching a TV show. How do you unwind at the end of the day? How do you unwind? Tell me. Put it in the comment section down below. So you can say, Level, I unwind by drinking a glass of wine, by reading the newspaper, by cleaning the house. Believe it or not. Some people unwind by cleaning. Okay, cool. Now, I'd like you to think about your full daily routine. Start from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to bed. Use the phrases we've just talked about to guide you. I'll give you an example first, okay? And then you can use this example to help you come up with your own daily routine template. Let's go. In the morning, I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. After that, I make myself breakfast and have a cup of tea. I spend most of my morning teaching English classes online. In the afternoon, I usually take a break to go for a walk or run some errands. In the evening, I like to unwind by watching a movie or reading a book. There you have it. Now, take a moment to plan your own description for your daily routine. You can pause the video if you need some time. Ready? Great. Now, try speaking it out loud, then record yourself. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident and fluent you'll become. All right? Cool. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next upload for day 19. Thank you. Bye for now.